Hello and welcome to this video, and in this video I'll be explaining to you how to make a dev screen. Alright, so first thing you gotta have the GUI. I already made myself one. Just put it into starter GUI. Make sure ignore GUI inset and enabled. Enabled should be false, ignore GUI inset should be enabled. Now, create a local script inside of frame or whatever your GUI object in there is. Alright, first we gotta set the player by getting the player service, just in case it doesn't exist. This is always a little bit safer than getting the local player. Now we gotta get the character. We'll get the character, or if the character doesn't exist, we will wait until it exists. Then we'll need to get the humanoid. We just wait for it. Alright. So we are making a variable called local GUI. For me it's this script.parent. Just make sure to link the path of your screen GUI in here. Now the respawn text. If you don't know what I mean by this, I mean this. Alright, let me disable it real quick. Alright, script.parent, then make sure to wait for it. Alright, this is always a little bit safer. Actually, yeah, local default text equals respawning in. If you don't know what this is, it's basically like it will say this, it will say the respawn text. For me it's respawning in, then this, then the number. Make sure to let a space between the 2 points and the string. This is not configurable unless you have a different respawn time. You can configure it by clicking on the player service. This is the respawn time. Alright, humanoid.died connect. Alright, so this basically fires whenever the player dies. We'll just check if the humanoid's health is 0. Once you died, we enable the GUI. Then we'll make a while true loop while the numbers above 0 and faster wait 1. So we will wait 1 second. This will get refreshed every second. We subtract 1 and the respawn text as alright. So let's test it out. Make sure enable to set to false, and now let's test. Alright. Works perfectly. Just make sure to add another line. Now, even better. Alright, if you're wondering how I got this specific texture, just click on your by text label, go to font and put it to creep. So pretty much looks like a dev screen already. So yeah, already also get like another one like Ripstone. So that was it for this video. If you liked it, I'd appreciate if you like the video and leave us up. See you.